Hi Tim, Mark here, and we've got your Airwave up and running. I'm running all digital. I think I told you that in the emails. And I've got this microphone, which is an Audix 07, and it's connected to the mic input of this Aphex 230 mic processor. I'm taking the digital output, which is the AES EBU output from the processor, and it's connected to, and we'll demonstrate each module, and you'll be able to see over here on the meter bridge I've got programs 1 and 2 lit up, so you can see that both buses are working. And so right now it's connected to input number 1. I've got all the faders set up to the reference point on the board. So right now we're looking at input number 1, and I'm going to take this wire and move it over to input number 2. And there's input number 2 working, as you can see. And we'll do the same with input number 3. And there's input number 3 working. There's input number 4. Number 5 is working. And there's input number 6 working. Number 7 working. Input number 8, as you can see, it works. Input number 9. Input number 10, and the levels you can see are varying a little bit depending on how loud I speak. Number 11. Input number 12. Input 13. Input number 14. Input 15. Input number 16. Input 17. Input 18, and on input 18 I'm going to turn the Q speaker on so you can verify that you can actually hear the audio, and you can hear the audio coming through now the Q speaker, so you know that all works. Okay, now what I'm going to do is show you what the noise floor is. We've got everything wired to a Potomac AA51 audio analyzer. This is a broadcast standard audio device, and 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, I'm hitting roughly on the peaks about a -6. I'm on the plus 10 dB scale, so 10 minus 6 is a plus 4. So what I'm going to do is shut down each module. And then we're going to do a noise test. So I've got the unit set for noise. So we're going to count down, and you'll see this unit is has what's called auto nulling. So there's 10 dB down from reference, and -6 is your reference. 20 dB down, 30 dB down, 40 dB down, 50 dB down, 60 dB down. There's 72 dB down, and that's well within spec of the board. So, I hope you're happy. I'm going to plan on creating this thing up and shipping it out of here probably within the next 2 days. If you have any questions, you can give me a call at 818-378-1926. Thanks.